Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. It is 11:30 and I'm about to go. What am I doing today? There's my cat, or my cats. Anyways, I'm about to go to the park today because I'm celebrating Krishna's cousin's birthday. Okay, bye. I am waiting for this lighting. Okay. Waiting for Krishna to come and pick me up, but it's taking a while and I got hungry. So I made a veggie patty and I'm putting sriracha on it. I literally got sriracha everywhere. Alright, I think she's almost here, so I gotta eat this really fast.
I hate when he does that.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the cameo, you know?
Alright, fine.
My arm.
So update, they got toys stuck in the tree, so they're all trying to get it now.
Oh no, my aunt's friends are here.
Oh my god. I don't even see it. I mean, it's, oh wait, I see the ball. So the ball is stuck right, wait, where'd it go?
Ball, they just got that
Right there. Oh yeah, and the hell. Oh my god.
How you know that's in the country. They're not funny.
Happy birthday to you.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Okay, we're cutting the cake.
Wait.
Oh my god. Oh my god, don't shoot it. Happy birthday!
Okay, I'm unboxing.
Hey, give me some love.
Okay.
Because they're gonna be a nerd. Ooh, can I have a Starburst?
She wants the pink one.
Thanks. Wow. I do that because I don't like you.
There's boba right there. You know you're at an Asian party when there's boba. Right here. Hello. Yeah, boba. I wish it was like a little sweeter. You wanna try it? Cheers! I don't want to drink this.
Drink it. Because I drink it already.
Oh god. Okay.
Why is my tongue numb?
That was gross. My god, there's dogs here.
Travis, give me a watermelon. You too, man. Dog. Come look your shoes.
We're on alcohol duties. We got sent to get alcohol. The sun's kind of... Well, we're eating now, so... Again. Yes, we're eating again. And I took a shot of Tito's at first. I don't think it settled well in my stomach. So I'm supposed to be packing for Vancouver, but I have not done any of that. Oh my god, and we need to go to Sephora and Ulta or whatever.
Look, this is a rainbow one. Is there chicken still?
Yes. No, it's a rainbow one. Right here. This one. What is it? At the store where you guys got the alcohol?
You guys want to hear?
Yes, because you missed our Tito and go down was going to pay for
Were we
it.
supposed to get Tito's?
Yeah.
No. I feel like all my vlogs, I don't talk to the camera, I talk to whoever I'm with.
I mean, vloggers do that too.
Do they? I feel like they talk to the camera a lot though.
Like when Whaley go, or like Sophia eats with like someone, they'll just leave the camera and then they're like, wow.
But I haven't done a vlog where I'm only talking to the camera yet. Maybe I'll do that.
Oh, bro. SpongeBob.
Don't touch the camera with it.
SpongeBob.
This is my favorite child. Isn't he so cute? I love him. What? He said no.
No, I know everyone loves him.
Do you like me?
I don't know.
What's up, Nathan? Nathan, how many times I gotta tell you to stay away from my girlfriend?
not. Oh my god.
Stay away from my girlfriend, man.
Gross.
My girlfriend.
He's mine. Cutie.
You cheating on me?
His teeth came up. I can't see SpongeBob. You know, like just tap it. Or the whole thing's gonna fall. Is Ganam actually your girlfriend? Boyfriend.
What? No. I just. What?
In his dreams.
In his dream.
In your dreams? Doesn't the ice cream man used to always come to our elementary school? But
Same here.
yeah, but I don't know. The school had something against him. But then basically he had to end up like selling the ice cream like a corner away.
Whoa, your sticky hands.
So he wasn't able to like sell it in front of the school. But we still like walked over to buy it. Yeah. And they also sold cotton candy. So weird. No.
So Nathan.
Evil SpongeBob. Good SpongeBob.
That's a what?
That's a gold pick.
Alright.
That is good. The eyeball part.
Nathan's gonna be famous in my videos.
No, yours gonna be the worst too. They watch YouTube every day.
Say that? What do you hear? Your channel's gonna be the worst channel.
No.
Oh. Did you put in water first? Don't. Oh! My God! What's wrong with you? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'm the camera holder.
No, you're gonna drop it.
I'm a camera. No, I'm a camera holder.
You left me.
Let me be the camera holder.
No, you're gonna hold. You're gonna drop it. Oh, why not?
No, let me be the camera holder.
Fine. If you drop it, I'm gonna blame you. So we left the barbecue, and now where are we going? We're going to Ceremony because I need foundation for Vancouver, or just makeup in general.
She just wants makeup.
So we're at Sephora now because I need makeup for my trip. But I don't want to spend money because every single time I come here, I spend way too much money. What are you doing? Oh my God. Okay, bye. Hello guys, I am back home. I'm probably gonna do my laundry and then start packing because I've literally not packed at all. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Sephora. I only got 2 things. I try to limit myself because honestly every single time you go to Sephora, you go in for one thing, you literally come out with like 5. So try to limit myself, not spend any money. The first thing I got was the Living Proof Dry Shampoo because I needed a new one. I didn't want to get the full thing because I think I'm trying to pack light, so got this one. And then also needed a new foundation, so I got the Too Faced Born This Way in light beige. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to pack and everything I do to prepare for a trip. Yeah, okay, bye. So just realized that I cannot pack until I do my laundry, and I know I could probably pack like my toiletries and all that first, but I just like packing my clothes first and then working my way through toiletries after, only because I feel like clothes are my necessities, and I'm pretty sure I can get like all the other toiletries when I'm there if needed. So that's why I work with clothes first, and I can't do that if I didn't do laundry. So I'm waiting for that to be done, and then I'm gonna officially start packing. But I feel like I just need clothes, specific type of clothes for the events that I'm going to be attending, and also my makeup, and I don't know what else I need, just like hair tools, toothbrush, toothpaste, camera equipment stuff. Yeah, I'm super sad though because originally I bought this lens for the vlog camera, which is, oh my God, I almost dropped it. It is 35mm lens from Canon, and didn't realize that I needed a lens adapter because the camera that I'm using right now does not support this lens, so I need another adapter to kind of connect the two together, and I didn't realize when I bought everything, and I've just been holding it off because I'm fine with this lens. But I really want to try the other lens, I mean this lens. I also have a zoom lens as well, but I honestly don't need that unless I take like super far away shots, which I don't need for now. But yeah, this is the lens that I have been dying to use. I just need the adapter. This is how the lens looks, if you guys are interested. And yeah, maybe when I come back, I'll probably start using it. Well, I guess that's it. I'm just gonna chill and catch up on some shows until my laundry's done, and then I'm gonna start packing, because I like packing at night because sometimes I use this stuff in the daytime. So the closer I pack to the trip, it makes me remember everything more, which is super weird. But yeah, I will show you guys how I pack later on. For now, I'm just gonna maybe nap because I'm super tired from today and working until like 2 in the morning. So I look so oily right now. Oh my god, what is on my hair? Okay. Here I go again with yellow lighting in my room. Honestly, I feel like I should just repaint these walls because it is ruining the lighting in my room. I need like white walls to bounce off so the light will not be yellow. But anyways, still have not packed yet, but wanted to give you guys an update on, I guess, the packing process. So I have my brushes kind of drying right now because I washed them in the morning, and I'm just charging my portable charger so I will have battery for tomorrow and whatever. But I think it's kind of broken because I brought this to river rafting. Oh shit. I brought it to river rafting and it got soaked because I actually brought it on the raft in case my phone was out of battery, and we took it out and it was soaking wet, but it still worked fine. But I noticed today that it's actually kind of acting up because I've been plugging it in and it just stops out of nowhere, and I don't even realize until it's too late. So yeah, and then let me show you guys the suitcase that I have. I'm just gonna roll it right over there because it's a pretty big suitcase. Because I'm gonna be gone for like a week and a half, I kind of need to pack my whole life. So I have this huge suitcase, nothing that special, but it's literally one of the biggest suitcases I have. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to, you know, pack everything. I should probably do my toiletries now because it is getting a little late and I want to get a good night's sleep before I go, because I think right when I land I have work to do. So yeah, literally have not packed one thing. Like, look at that, completely empty. Honestly, I have like no motivation to pack right now, and I said this before, it's because I do not have my laundry done. But you know what, I'm going to pack my makeup. I will show you guys along. Let me get all of my essential stuff. Okay, keep all of my kind of makeup products right in this drawer. So here I have, I'm probably gonna need this for something. I'm gonna need this for my makeup, and I think that is okay for now, but we shall see. I don't know. Just put that over there. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna need this mirror because I don't know where I'm staying, and a girl needs a mirror to do her makeup. So, but this is what I have for now. It's just kind of all jumbled up, but I'm just gonna pack everything, put it into these little compartments, my toiletries, and I think that is good to go. So yeah, honestly, I could pack really fast. I just choose not to because I'm a very lazy person and I like to do things until the last minute. I just realized that I think it's one of my friends' birthdays today and I didn't say happy birthday to them. So I'm about to text them right now, happy birthday, if it is their birthday. I'm horrible with these things. It took me so long to remember like my pledge sisters' birthdays, which is so bad. Okay, current situation right now, I have a whole load of laundry that I need to pack and kind of put away. I don't really know what I need to pack yet because I haven't sorted everything out, but I have all the clothes And I have my packing cubes. I probably should get more, but it's too late now. My brush is drying. I have all the shoes that I possibly will bring. It's actually a lot, so I think I'm gonna have to narrow it down by a lot. It's just that there's just so many occasions or things that we have to do that I feel like I need all of them, but I probably don't. I have my makeup right there, my electronics, palette, stuff over there, nothing in there. Yeah, my room is a mess right now, but you know, it's an organized mess, so it's okay. And I took off all my makeup because honestly, I don't need my makeup to freaking pack. So yeah, I look horrifying right now, but it's okay. Right, I'll catch you guys later when I finish packing, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish packing tomorrow morning, like literally an hour before my flight, or before I leave. So yep, this is gonna be fun. It is 11 p.m. right now. My flight is at 10, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be sleeping. Yeah, okay, bye. Update, I managed to pack away everything. I don't know how. Well, okay, majority of the stuff, besides the stuff that I need, but for tomorrow. But yeah, I managed to put all my clothes and like hair accessories, shoes, everything in there. I'm gonna have this as a carry-on, a little duffel bag with my makeup, toiletries, everything like that. And then right here I have my electronics bag, so just like chargers, portable, what do you call those, hard drives, and my makeup that I'm going to be using tomorrow. So I just left it out here, and my laptop is uploading 2 vlogs right now. And oh god, I look rough, but yeah, my flight is at 10:40 tomorrow. God, I'm so tired. My flight is at 10:40 tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna go to the airport at like around, I want to say 9. And I'm just having a little late night snack right now, literally buffalo wings, because there's nothing else to eat in this house and I'm too lazy to cook. And it's like literally 12:46, so I shouldn't be cooking anyways. I just pop this in the microwave and probably gonna go to sleep after this, shower, go to sleep, and then wake up in a couple of hours to go to the airport. So I'm gonna eat this, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.